Alright guys, to start, you're going to need a wig, your edge brush, a razor, 2 combs, got to be glue, foam wrap, hair moisturizer, bald cap, a headband / wrap, and not least, the ghost bond. Alright, to begin, you're going to use the ghost bond, and you're just going to, put little dabs all the way around where you want your headline to be with your wig. And I'm just taking the end of my razor, just, to blend it out just a little bit. And you want to take the blow dryer and you're going to blow dry it. Blow dry it until it's not all the way clear, but mostly clear. Because then you're going to do it a second time. As you can see, one more time you do it. Sorry, I was having a little trouble. And you blow dry it. By the way, guys, my hair is in a ponytail. I'll stick back, so yeah. Okay, so I just took the gotton bleed and I just went around the edge of my bald cap, so when I put the wig on, it will be easy to stick on. Alright, so now we got the wig. You want to line the hairline with the glue. Where you put the glue at. And as you see guys, when I put it down, I take my finger and I just push it down. That way it can stay down. Then you do the other side. And my wig came with natural baby hairs, so you see those laying there. But make sure the glue doesn't touch the baby hairs because that'll get glued down. So I'm taking the end of my comb and I'm just holding my wig down while I blow dry it, get it dry a little bit. Alright, so now you take the headband, and what you're going to do with the headband is you're going to put it on your hairline. But before you do that, just make sure all your baby hairs are out. You're going to need those out. Take your foam and wrap just to help hold back your hair so you separate the baby hairs. And then you take your headband and you put it on the hairline, the very front of the hairline. Make sure you comb your hair out because I'm about to flat iron my hair. This flat iron, it gets hot really quick. I had it for a while now. I have no idea where I got it from, so please don't ask. So I'm taking my hair moisturizer and I'm just using the tips of my finger to run it through. And making sure that you get your ends. Please make sure that you get your ends because your ends will frizz up if you don't. And just comb that through your hair. I'm taking the foaming wrap and I'm doing the same thing. I'm using the tips of my fingers to run it through. A lot of people just put it on their hair and then comb it out. I feel like they don't work best like that. And comb it through your hair. Alright, so now I'm about to flat iron it. I just put the top half in a ponytail so I can start the bottom. And yeah, you guys can watch and see. Now I'm on to the other side. And I just use the side of my flat iron just to help lay down the top of my hair where my flat iron can't reach. My flat iron gets hot on the sides because it's all metal. So if you have a flat iron like that, you can use that because I do not have a straight comb, guys. Alright, now the edges, it should be dry. The glue should be dry, so just brush those baby hairs down. Sorry guys, I'm a little sick, by the way, if you hear me sniffling. And I just use the Eco Styling Gel to help lay my baby hairs. You can use any gel, preferably. Don't use a lot of it though. But everybody does their edges different. I like mine to look, you know, a little natural and a little dramatic, not that much dramatic, but you guys get the point. This is optional. You do not have to swoop your edges. You can just brush them back, but I like mine swoop, as you guys can see. And if you guys want me to go more in depth on how I do my edges, just let me know in the comment section, and I will be making a tutorial. But today I am not going in depth. I'm just combing my hair out now. Alright, now to the makeup, guys. I'm using a regular black pencil, eyebrow pencil, or eyeliner as you would call it. I'm just outlining my eyebrows. And, you know, using the brush to fan it out. Fan the front of it out and drag it to the back. And make sure you guys do not fill your eyebrows in too dark, because you will look funny. Some people do that, but I think it's weird. We all have our own opinions. And I just take a concealer and outline it. You want to use a fine brush to help you get that edge when you go in the corner. It helps line your eyebrow and make it look sharp. So you want to use a really good brush, the edge brush. And guys, you will see my daughter pop up behind me in the video, so do not mind her. Alright, so I just took a setting powder just to set around my eyebrows and on my eyelids a little bit. Once again, the setting powder. I'm just taking a brown color to put on my eyelids. And I just took a bronzer, highlight my eyebrows, the inner corner, like my brow bone to highlight, and now highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm taking a eyeliner. This is optional, guys. You really do not have to do this, but I feel like it makes my eye pop when I put on my eyelashes. Just make a wing. Just look with eyeliner. It takes a lot of practice to learn how to do my wings, but once you get good at it, you'll get used to it. Now I'm just taking my mascara, just putting a little coat on my top and my bottom lashes, guys. Now I'm putting on my eyelashes. Once again, I am not going into detail of how to put on eyelashes. If you guys really want an eyelash video, just drop it in the comments and I will make one for you guys. And these eyelashes are my very own eyelashes. I am coming out with a lash wand and lip gloss wand. If you guys are interested, just stay posted and I will let you know. But anyway, I am using a foundation the same color as my skin, and I'm just blending that through my face. I'm just using a concealer and I'm about to highlight the underneath of my eyes, both of them. This just makes you look more awake, guys, instead of tired. It just brightening up your eyes. Now I'm kind of highlighting my nose so my nose can look snatched instead of fat. It makes my nose look skinnier. And so you're gonna do your cheekbones like that also. Just lining it. So it just makes your face look slimmer, guys. Like you have a brow bone. And just blending that in, guys. Alright, now I'm taking a darker color. And I'm just, like I said, trying to make my nose pop. Trying to make my nose look snatched and also my cheekbones look snatched. And I'm lining the bottom of my face and around my forehead, guys. I'm just taking a setting powder. Taking a darker color just a little bit. Just to rub that in. Alright, guys. Any lip gloss of your choice, it doesn't matter. Lipstick, doesn't matter.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Any other things that you would like me to request, please leave them in the comments. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more in the future. But I am really feeling this, y'all. I really am. But yes, please request anything else you guys would like me to do, and I will be uploading more videos soon.